In this video, I will show you how to delete Brawl Stars account. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Brawl Stars on your device. So here we are on Brawl Stars. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three lines to open up a menu. From this menu, you want to select settings from the top of the page, and from here you want to select the option for help and support. So what that's going to do is open up a screen like this, and from here you want to press onto the top option which says account. Then what you need to do, you're going to see some further options. You want to click onto the plus icon next to the one that says access delete your data. From here you're going to see an option which says request deletion of your personal data, so you want to go ahead and press onto this. Then from here you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and press the blue delete my data button. Now what it's going to do is open up a chat window like this, and after a second it's going to give you some responses. What you're going to want to do is press the one which says I agree to delete my data. And as you can see, we're going to get a message saying we will now process your request. When you press delete account, we will immediately proceed with the termination of your account. Note that there will be a short period during which you can still cancel the request. So what this does, if I come up slightly, it says here deleting data permanently erases your account, game progress and paid and free in-game resources. When the deletion process starts, you cannot play the game from your current device, and the process can take up to 30 days and is irreversible once completed. So basically, if you want to go ahead, you want to select the response here which says delete account, and then after 30 days your account will be fully deleted. Now you can go ahead and cancel this request if you do change your mind, but you want to do that as soon as possible because you only get a short window of time if you do change your mind and no longer want to delete your account. But that is how to go ahead and delete your Brawl Stars account. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.